Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Right now showing you this CARFAX certified one owner 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8. This is a beautiful vehicle with only 92,000 miles and some change. It does show one accident or incident on the CARFAX, and it says it hit a curb. It's the first time I've actually seen that on a CARFAX, that somebody would actually claim that they hit a curb. But anyway, so I don't know what all damage was done to it, but I can tell you that it looks to be all original paint on this, with the exception of the front bumper. Now, while that matches perfectly and looks great, the only reason why I can say that I believe it's been painted is you can see a little bit of a run in the clear right there, and then there was a little speck of trash that I saw right here in the clear coat, and one right there. But otherwise, it's perfect. Really good shape, really good condition. It does have a few scratches on it. It's got one here that's been touched up that you really can't see it until you get on it. All four of the wheels have some sort of small curb chip, but nothing major at all. They are wrapped in a brand new set of Falcon Zenith tires that ride great, hook up really well. There's the little touched up spot on that wheel. And again, as you can see, the paint is overall in really great condition for being a 2006 model. All stock with the exception of the Borla exhaust, and it does have a Mopar cold air intake under the hood, which I'll show you here in just a moment. The interior is in really good shape. Very little wear on that at all. All your buttons, your windows, locks, mirrors, your memory seat, power seat switches, everything works like it should on here. And this one is also a fully loaded model with the rear entertainment. And I'll show you that too once we get back there. This looks worse in the video than it is, but it's from my wet foot getting in there a minute ago. Of course, your heated seats, dual climate control, and then as you see here, 92,585 miles. Of course, your cruise control, it does have your buttons on the back of the steering wheel for your stereo controls. There's your power sunroof. No owner's manual, but it does have the original Windows sticker in here. $45,815 when it was new. This is a non-smoker vehicle. No abnormal odors or smells in it. Here's your DVD player, rear entertainment, remote in there. Of course, these seats fold down if you ever need that kind of storage space back there, or cargo area. Nice and clean back here as well. And then we'll get to the business end. That 6.1 liter Hemi. Nice and quiet. But we've got her here for you. Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. We got a lot of great financing available, warranty included, and always top dollar for your trade. So give us a call today. Let us see how we can earn your business and be able to help you get into the car that you've been looking for. 757-487-7333. We appreciate you watching as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.